Hello? Nina, it is Ramadan. You are coming to our iftar tonight, right? 7:18 p.m. sharp. Don't be late. But I don't know anything about Ramadan. I can just... Perfect! That makes it even more special. I already told my whole family you're coming to iftar and they're so excited. Love you. Bye.
Did somebody say Ramadan? Bulbul, oh thank God, You need to understand the most joyful, most beautiful, most magical month of the entire year. Ramadan, it is not just a month, it's a celebration, a festival of light, a time when the whole world transforms. Magical? But they don't eat for... Forget what you think you know. Let me show you what Ramadan really is. In 5 hours, you are going to experience the most anticipated moment of every single day. The most anticipated moment? نعم الإفطار رمضان 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 إفطار 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 It's breaking of the fast. Okay, I will teach you everything, Arabic words, cultural etiquette, the magic behind it all. And we have exactly 5 hours. Ready for the fastest, most fun crash course of your life? Let's do this! Then grab your camera, we are going shopping. Shopping? Yalla! 5 hours to Ramadan. Can Nina learn everything before tonight's iftar? Let's find out. This video is for people learning Arabic in real life. Don't forget to turn on English subtitles. Okay, what do I buy? First listen, you never arrive empty-handed. Let me teach you the Arabic for gift, هدية. Gift, هدية. 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 Okay, but what هدية? The best Ramadan gift, tamr. Date is tamr. Tamr. Tamr.
أهلاً، هل تتسوقين لرمضان؟ رمضان مبارك.
Blessed Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak. Ramadan Mubarak. Ramadan Mubarak. He said Ramadan Mubarak. Repeat it. Ramadan Mubarak. Ramadan Mubarak.
تفضلي، تمر لذيذ.
تمر date. تمر تمر. Delicious is لذيذ. 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 لذيذ.
ما رأيك بشراء قمر الدين؟
قمر الدين؟
يتم صناعة العصير منه.
قمر الدين apricot juice. قمر الدين. قمر الدين. قمر الدين. Moon is قمر. 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 Juice is عصير. 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 These are gorgeous. الفانوس والهلال هم رموز رمضان. Lantern is الفانوس. الفانوس. فانوس. فانوس. Crescent is هلال. 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 Can I bring one as a gift?
تفضلي، هذا فانوس مضيء.
Perfect. This one lights up and plays music. Light is نور. 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 Lights up مضيء. 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 والآن لنشتري الحلويات. ما رأيك بالبقلاوة؟ بقلاوة is بقلاوة. 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 Sweets is حلويات. حلويات. حلويات.
تفضلي.
How do I say thank you in Arabic? Say شكراً. شكرا. شكرا.
عفواً. رمضان كريم.
Thank you is شكرا. 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 Your welcome is عفواً. 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 هيا لنعد إلى البيت وترتدي الثياب المناسبة. Okay, 2 hours left. What do I wear? Modest, respectful, but also your style. This works? Perfect, respectful and beautiful. Quick, what else do I need to know? Rapid fire rules. Don't start eating before adhan. Even if you are starving, wait for the call. Wait for the call. Compliment the food. Say ما أطيب. ما أطيب. ما أطيب. How delicious. ما أطيب. ما أطيب. ما أطيب. Food is طعام. 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 Call is آذان. 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 ما أطيب الطعام. Accept the second helpings. They will insist. Saying no is rude. So eat a lot. Eat with joy. That's Ramadan spirit. Bulbul, what if I mess up? What if I say something wrong? Nina, listen to me. Ramadan isn't about perfection. It's about heart. But the fact that you are trying, that you care, that you want to learn, that's what matters. Really? Layla's family invited you because they want to share this joy with you. Not just you. Share. Share the joy. بالضبط. لذا اذهبي هناك بقلب مفتوح وابتسامة كبيرة وقولي هذه الكلمات السحرية. أنا سعيدة جداً. Heart is قلب. 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 Happy is سعيدة for female. سعيدة. سعيدة. And for male you say سعيد. 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 Joy is فرح. 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 أنا سعيدة جداً. Excellent. Let's go. Here we are.
أهلا أهلا نينا وبلبل. رمضان كريم.
مرحبا. رمضان كريم. Look at all this food. Nobody's touching it.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر.
بسم الله. بسم الله.
اللهم لك صمنا وعلى رزقك أفطرنا.
She is thanking God for the food and the blessings.
صحة وعافية.
ما شاء الله. You learned Arabic.
تذوقي الشوربة حبيبتي.
Soup is شوربة. 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 Say طعام لذيذ if you like it. طعام لذيذ. Nina, you know why we fast? To feel what poor people feel. Yes, and also to remember what truly matters. Not food, but family, love, gratitude. That's beautiful.
Nina, try to say سموسك. سموسك.
Sambusek. Sambusek. Sambusek.
Close enough. Eat.
Nina, we have something for you.
For me? You made this?
I painted your name.
This is the most beautiful gift I've ever received. I came here 3 hours ago. terrified not knowing anything, and I'm living with much more than I expected. Ramadan isn't just about what you don't have, it's about what do you have. It's about sacrifice, it's about sharing, and I learned Arabic words, made a family, and felt pure joy.
Next episode, my first full day of fasting. Can you do it? Subscribe to find out. What's your favorite iftar food? Comment below.